Learning English. Wiping mirrors. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's lesson, we will focus on an important topic in our Everyday Activities series, bathroom chores. Specifically, we will learn how to talk about wiping mirrors in English. So let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics of wiping mirrors, let's go over some basic vocabulary related to the bathroom and cleaning. These words will help you better understand and discuss this topic. Here are a few essential words you should know. Bathroom, mirror, wipe, cloth, clean, spray, reflection, streaks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these words, as they will be useful throughout the lesson. Now that we have the necessary vocabulary, let's move on to the process of wiping mirrors. Follow these simple steps to effectively clean a mirror. 1. Gather your cleaning supplies. You will need a clean cloth or paper towel, a glass cleaner or water, and possibly a squeegee. 2. Spray the mirror. If you are using a glass cleaner, spray it onto the mirror's surface. Alternatively, you can dampen your cloth or paper towel with water and use it to moisten the mirror. 3. Wipe the mirror. Take your cloth or paper towel and start wiping the mirror in a gentle, circular motion. Make sure to cover the entire surface. 4. Pay attention to streaks. While wiping, keep an eye out for streaks or smudges. If you notice any, go over that area again with a clean part of your cloth or paper towel. 5. Use a squeegee, optional. If you have a squeegee, you can use it to remove excess moisture from the mirror. Start from the top and work your way down, making sure to wipe the squeegee after each pass. 6. Step back and admire the reflection. Once you've finished wiping the mirror, take a step back and enjoy the clean, streak-free reflection. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you clean mirrors, the better you will become at it. In addition to knowing the steps involved in wiping mirrors, it's helpful to be familiar with some useful expressions related to this task. These expressions will allow you to communicate your actions and preferences while cleaning. Here are a few examples. I'm going to wipe the mirror now. I prefer using a glass cleaner to clean mirrors. Could you pass me a cloth to wipe the mirror? I like my mirrors streak-free, so I always double-check. Feel free to practice these expressions and incorporate them into your conversations when discussing cleaning activities. Well done! You've reached the end of our lesson on wiping mirrors. By now, you should be familiar with the basic vocabulary related to bathroom chores and understand the steps involved in cleaning mirrors effectively. Don't forget to practice these skills regularly to improve your English fluency. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting English language learning videos. Take care, and see you next time.